to find the area of this triangle. Remember, the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. The diagonal here is not the height or the base because it's a slanted side. It's there as a distractor. The base of this triangle is the entire piece here. To find that total distance, we need to add 3.3 and 6.1, which is 9.4. So our base is 9.4 and our height is 4.4. We can take half of one of those numbers, or we can save it till the very end. I am going to take half of 4.4. Because half of 4 is 2, I can change 4.4 into 2.2. And now I just need to multiply those two numbers together. I'm going to do my scratch work on the left, and then I'll show my final answer on the right side. So my area is equal to 20.68 inches squared. The formula, half the base times the height. On this one, the base is actually on the top. And this whole distance is going to be 16 plus 8, which comes out to 24. The height of this triangle is seen here, and it is 14. Half of 24 is 12. And 12 times 14 is 168. The units are meters, so this is meters squared.